All right, hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So we're gonna do a little test here. Just finished up at the grocery store, so we're gonna look at Smart Summon in version 14 with 14.1.3. Give you a little point of view from inside the car as I summon the car to me from the parking lot. So at this point, what you're gonna see is the inside of the car, and you'll see how it can bring it to me from the parking lot here to the entrance, one of the entrances of the grocery store. So let's go to the car. All right, and there we go. So little update to, well, not really an update to Smart Summon necessarily, but in looking at version 14 and how Smart Summon is behaving, did pretty smooth there, look like, from where I was standing, and obviously to getting us where we needed to go. So thanks for coming along. Just a quick little video. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and I'll see you next time.